Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video we'll discuss how to remove Yahoo Search from Google Chrome browser. So with that being said, let's get started. If you try to use Google Chrome browser and if you open new tab, it will open Yahoo Search or you will get the yahoo.com page. So to fix it, you can simply follow this method. For that, simply click on this three dot icon, then click on extensions. Here click on manage extensions. Now here look for extension related to Yahoo Search, Yahoo homepage, Yahoo new tab or anything related to Yahoo. So you have to remove this extension. For that, simply click on this remove button and click on remove and it will remove the extension. After that, click on this three dot icon, then click on settings. Here click on search engine option. Now here click on change and select Google. Then click on set as default. Now if you try to open new tab, it will not redirect you to the Yahoo search. Also if you search anything on the Google Chrome address bar, it will search through google.com. However, if you are still facing the issue, then you can simply reset the browser settings. For that, open settings, click on reset settings. Here click on restore settings to their original default. Then click on reset settings. And it will fix the issue. So that's it. This is how you can remove Yahoo Search from Google Chrome browser. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.